I didn't really see myself being here for the long term. And the sole reason for that is because I didn't necessarily think of the industry as being really relevant to my background, which is in law. But it became really apparent really early on that I was completely wrong. I came to realize that, you know, construction and this industry isn't just about what happens out here on the job site, but it's also about all of the disciplines that support it happening. So there's like schedulers and cost engineers, people in legal, accountants, just about everything that you can think of.
I was in the Army and decided that it was time to get out of the Army. I was looking for different, careers and what might suit me. I actually entered construction in a training role, which was very similar to what I was doing in the Army, and then just moved through different roles from there.
I am from Trinidad, so Bechtel was new for me. The whole LNG technology was brand new to most people from Trinidad and Tobago. And I always like to be part of something new and exciting. Hence the reason I decided to join Bechtel.
I think what inspired me was the fact that Bechtel is a global company. When I finished university, I did have the travel bug like a lot of people do, and I saw Bechtel as this huge company with projects all over the world and thought that could be exciting. So it has taken me to quite a few different places actually in my career so far with Bechtel.
It's dynamic, so no 2 days are the same. And the thing that I find the best about being in the construction industry is that your colleagues essentially become your family away from home.
The best thing working with Bechtel is because you always have. It's a great company. It's doing when you're a part of a company like that, doing signature projects, and you know that you can look back and say I was a part of this or that, and I would say the greatest thing is the people, okay, because there are many construction companies, but I think what makes them different is people and how they deliver and how they communicate together and work as a team. And you can always get support in Bechtel.
The best thing for me about working for Bechtel is that it offers national and international job opportunities. And not many careers or companies can offer you that.
Definitely my time management skills have improved, and just working to deadlines and stuff like that. We've got a gas plant to build, so we do have tight schedules and things like that.
The best thing about working for Bechtel is the opportunity to work in mega projects, in huge multi-billion-dollar projects where other companies don't have, the opportunity to get the chance to build something like this here. I guess we're just lucky that Bechtel has come to Australia and give us, us Aussies, an opportunity to build something like this here. It's very unique.
That I can take on a challenge, that you can really jump in with both feet, and no matter how far out of your comfort zone you feel, you can really get after and get it done. And it's challenging, but at the same time you've got a group behind you that are all rallying for the same thing, and so they make it easier for you, and the support is there to make it happen.
I think I've learned how much I really didn't know, because I started in design engineering, so I jumped out here in the field and say, okay, let me see just how good I am with designing electrically. Get in the field, start working with electricians, and I say, oops, maybe I don't know as much as I thought I did, and working with them, becoming better design engineer and learning what I really need to do when I'm doing design and what I need to pay attention to. So that's been very valuable to me.
I think the thing that I've learned the most about myself is my ability to handle pressure, especially when there's a lot of different time-sensitive things going on and things that have the ability to impact construction schedules. Being able to face all of those challenges and lead when I need to.
I guess for us, particularly for women in construction, it's sometimes daunting to make the first decision to go into construction. But for us, once you get here, you're certainly welcome with open arms, and you need to prove yourself. But if you're willing to give it a go and stick to it, then it's quite rewarding.
If other women are thinking about a career in construction, I'd say go for it. I say it's a very exciting, challenging opportunity, and for women, you stand out. There aren't many of us out there, and that's a good thing, because you can show really what you're made of.
Well, if you like complicated projects and a job where every project is a new job. It's a great opportunity.
It's not for everybody. You've got to be the right type of person to work in construction. It is a male-dominated industry, but there is room for females in all different positions.
Construction needs opportunities, experience, diversity, being a part of it. That's probably the best part, to see, even though we're on the mainland, actually visiting site and seeing and thinking, yep, we're a part of that. That's pretty special.
Construction for me is the place where I can take great pride of creating great structures.
Construction is very complicated. It's got a lot of moving parts and a lot of people out there making it happen, and if you play your part, you can make a very rewarding experience for yourself.
Construction is dynamic, challenging, and needs more women. Get out there, girls.